In this video, I'm going to teach you how to lose burned belly fat in just 7 days. Please subscribe to my channel for more health tips. Thank you. We need lemon, ginger, and a glass of warm water. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, as well as flavonoids, which are antioxidants. Lemons contain highly nutritious that can help prevent diseases and improve overall health. Ginger contains gingerol, a compound with great therapeutic qualities. It can be used to treat a variety of illnesses, including morning sickness, and can also aid in weight loss. This recipe boosts metabolism and burns fat faster. It also helps to burn fat in the abdomen and hips. To begin, a glass of warm water is required. Second, squeeze half a lemon into the warm water and add a half teaspoon of ginger. After mixing thoroughly, strain the drink. Take it 1 hour before breakfast every morning.